Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome back. I got a little friend here for you to meet.
Oh Lord, cat.
This here is Pretty Boy. He's 2.5 years old. Probably weighs about 12 pounds. And his breed, he is a Khao Manee. In case you don't know what that is, it is a cat that is from Thailand, the original land of Siam. And a little bit about him. His parents were born in Thailand. He's one of less than 4,000 in the United States. We, by chance, got him from a person who bought him from a breeder. I believe we only paid about $50 to adopt him. And come to find out, he's worth like close to $2,000, which is amazing for a cat. And a little bit about the breed, they're very, very talkative.
Affectionate.
He always meows. He's loving.
He's affectionate.
Very affectionate. And he's funny. What do you think, Pretty Boy? Does that sound like you? He's like, dang straight, that's me. But yeah, he's a really, really good cat. Really fun. Very energetic. Very he jumps on stuff like cat trees and bookshelves and places he's not supposed to be, but he finds his way up there. He's very playful, and the word Khao Manee in Thailand means white gem. And they believed, just like the Siamese cat, that these cats were very special and mystic and mystical. But he's something else. He's my buddy. As you know, I have I had a cat, Striker. He was 13.5 years old, and he passed away back in April. And I grieved him pretty bad, and my wife found Pretty Boy here, looked everywhere for a cat that was similar, and found him, and he looks very spit and image like Striker was. But he's very different. He's got his own characteristics and his own way about him. But he's a beautiful cat, and actually, if you guys hang on 1 second, I'll show you something. It's kind of special. This here was made in Striker's honor. It's a cuddle clone. And it was made specifically to be Striker. So you can see him got his name on the tag, Striker. I think they did a wonderful job on him. He looks very, proud and tall, and looks just like him. Sadly, all I have left of Striker is this right here. This is his ashes. But Yeah, he was born in 2012 and died in 2025. But he was my buddy. But Pretty Boy, he's he's doing well. We've had him for a little bit. He's acclimated well. He likes the dogs, and he's really a fun cat. But I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I hope you enjoy these videos.